Welcome to Tuesday's spelling. Let's go through each of our orange and green words now. Prefix. Say prefix. We are learning about how a prefix can change a word's meaning. Say predate. The Spanish predate the United States involvement in Cuba. Say proceed. A clear draft should precede writing to ensure quality. Say previously. Previously, we had more students in class each day. Say postscript. I added a postscript to my letter. Say post-election. The post-election party was very relaxed now that campaigning had finished. Say precaution. As a precaution, we have increased the cleaning in our school. Say preference. My preference is for you to focus on the patterns in your spelling words. Say preliminary. Spanish and American involvement in Cuba was preliminary to the revolution. Say postnatal. Some women participate in postnatal exercise after giving birth. Say postgraduate. Miss Levitt is considering returning to university to complete a postgraduate qualification. Say post-production. Once a movie has been filmed, post-production can sometimes take longer than principal photography. Let's go through your activities now that you're going to complete between now and Friday. As always, you're going to define your spelling words. So for all of the words that you've chosen between now and Friday, write out a definition. The second activity is to highlight the spelling pattern. So for this, you will say the word aloud, write the word, and then using a highlighter, trace over the spelling pattern in that word that's the same in all of your words. Say the letter names as you do this, and then repeat for each word. So for example, if I was going to say that I can see PRE is in this word and it's in this word, then I would say the word predict. I'd write the word predict. I'd say the word prefix. I'd write the word prefix. Then using a highlighter, I can see that the spelling pattern of PRE is also in this word, PRE. So with a highlighter, I would trace over the PRE, and as I do, I would say PRE, pre. The next activity is to create a $1 letter. So write a letter to a friend that uses as many of your spelling words as you can. Again, when you use a spelling word, say the word aloud and then write it. Once you've incorporated the word into your letter to a friend, then you can count them all up. So each of your spelling words is worth 10 cents. You only get the 10 cents once, and try to use all 10 of your spelling words to get to $1. We also have some challenge activities. So one of our class personal words is Cuba. Can you explain why it has a capital letter? Another challenge activity is to work out the root word for each of these words with a prefix. For example, the root word in post-war is war. Okay, that's the initial word. Post-war means after the war. Can you do that for each of the spelling words here? Work out if there is a root word. There isn't always. Have fun with your spelling this week, Year 5. See you again next week.